So today we meet again, and I also have another vital topic to share with you. So now I'm going to talk about it briefly. I'm not going to waste your time. So today's topic goes like this. Have you not thought of these particular questions like real reasons why women wear makeup? Mhm. I know a lot of men will say, I don't really know the reasons why women wear makeup. Why some men know the reasons why women wear makeup. And even some of the women that are watching me right now, some of them they don't know the reasons why they wear makeup. Why some of them they know the reasons why they are putting on what? Makeup. You all know what I mean by makeup. Makeup is like putting on something just as you can see my face right now, adding it to your natural face, you understand, by painting, making up, do all sort of things, eyelashes and all those ribbons, things you are seeing in my face, you understand? That is what makeup, that is the meaning of what makeup, you understand? Leaving your natural to artificial is what makeup, okay? So what is the real reasons why women put on makeup? Today, I'm going to open your eyes, or I'm going to give you reasons why a lot of women all over the world, both Africans, non-Africans, why they put on what makeup. So you that is watching me right now, if you also have your own points or your reasons why you putting on makeup, keep it down below. Don't forget, okay? And also, if you know you have not subscribed to this my channel, come on, what are you doing? You are missing because you're going to learn a lot of things that have to do with yourself, your marriage, your husband, your children, generally that has to do with life. Okay, especially when it comes to marriage or relationship, it's going to help you, it's going to give you, make you to have to be smart, give you sense and all those things. Okay, so let me not waste your time. So let's really dive into the reasons why women put on makeup or why women wear makeup. You understand? So what is the main reasons why are they putting on makeup? There's this, like, there's nothing we do without no reasons. There must be reasons behind it, and that is what I want to really talk about. So those men who are out there who don't know the reasons why their women are putting on makeup, these are the reasons why they are doing that. And some women who don't even know the reason why they are putting on makeup, they're just, okay, my mate is doing it, okay, let me just do it. These are the reasons why you are doing it. Oh, you're not just doing it without no reasons. You are doing it with what? Reasons. So number one, to look attractive for yourself. As you can see, am I not beautiful? Yes, you understand. I leave my natural ways and put it in other ways. You understand? That is what makeup. So to look attractive for yourself. If a woman wants to really look beautiful, you understand? Maybe she's going out or she's anywhere. She's going to look beautiful by putting on what? Makeup. By putting on something in his lips, by putting on something in his eyes, like eyelashes, making up herself up. You understand? So these are one of the most important reasons why women put on what? Makeup. They want to look attractive. They want to look beautiful. You understand? They want to see themselves flashing, looking, so that is number one. The number two is what? To look younger. So the number two is what? To look younger. You understand? Do you know that when you put on makeup, the makeup will make you look younger? Have you not seen some of the videos or no, or naturally? You understand? You see some old women, they are they are far in age, you understand? So by the time they put on makeup and all those things, they are going to look like, somebody that is just sweet 16, somebody that is just like 16 or on that age, you understand? That is why they are wearing makeup. Oh. Men, don't forget. These are the reasons why women are putting on makeup. They are not putting on makeup for no reasons. They are putting on makeup for so many reasons for themselves. Best known to them, you understand? But I'm bringing out some of the reasons why a lot of women are putting on makeup. So, one, to look attractive to themselves. Two, to look younger for themselves. So let's dive into the third one, which is what? To complete their mode of dressings. You understand? So after the woman have put on the clothes and everything, so you will see that his face does not even match from his head to his toe. When he look at herself in the mirror, when she look at herself in the mirror, she's going to find out that something is missing, you understand? She said, no, I have to make up. I have to just match everything completely with this my beautiful clothes, you understand? That is just the fact. So the face will look, maybe rough or dark. So you have to brush it off so that it will look completely with the clothes and with the dressing, you understand? So these are the reasons why women put on what? Makeup. Yes, you understand? To complete their mode of dressings, just to complete it, to make it perfect. So another way again, the reasons why they also wear makeup is what? It is good and fun to some of them. Some of these women, they see it as fun, as an amazing, as a good things to them, as like, oh, it make them happy. Let me put it that way. Yes, I'm telling you. There are some women, they love doing it, they love making up, they feel when they make up, they're just happy, it's fun, it's beautiful, it's good things to them. You understand? So another reasons again, they care so much of their appearance. So a lot of women, let me say generally, a lot of women, they care so much for their appearance. Do you know that? So they don't want to come outside in a public and they look so, ugly or somehow. So they like to wear makeup so that to look so beautiful, balance with them, you understand? So they don't want to come outside in a bad appearance, you understand? And they also put on makeup just to cover up their sadness or their stress or their pains that they have inside them, you understand? Do you know that? A lot of women, maybe they are passing through one thing and the other, like stress or one tragedy or one thing and the others. So when they put on makeup, you won't even find it in their eyes. The makeup is going to like cover everything in them. Another reasons why women make up is that they make up to cover scars in their faces. You understand? Maybe there are some people that have mark in their faces, or they have accident happen to them and they begin to have some scar, you know what I mean, a spot or something bad in their faces, you understand? Pimples, all those things, bad things in their faces. So by the time they make up, it's not going to bring all those things, it's going to hide it. You understand that everything is going to hide under the makeup, and that is the reason, a lot of reasons why a lot of women put on makeup. Men do makeup, but I'm just talking about women today, okay? I'm just talking about women today. The reasons why women make up, that is just the fact. They had to just cover all those scars in their faces, those pimples, those things that do not look beautiful physically. So they will make up to cover all those things inside. So another one again, it make them to feel confident. It made them to make them, as I'm not going to explain this, you understand? It make them feel confident, you understand? So let me give you an example. Let me say, for example, a woman is going to like a birthday party or marriages, you understand? So if you put on those beautiful makeup, according to the way she is, the way she dressed, so when she's going to that to that marriage or to that birthday or whatever, you understand, she's going to have that confidence. Oh, I look so beautiful. When you look yourself at the mirror, so I look so gorgeous. Oh my God, just look at my hair, just look at my face. I look flashy, I look beautiful. I'm telling you, they look, oh yeah, I can see it. I'm telling you. So they put on makeup just for them to feel comfortable, just for them to have that confidence in them. Yeah, I belong. That is it. So they also the makeup also help them to get promotions, you understand? Let me tell you how it's been done. Let me explain little for you so that you understand it. Do you know that a lot of women, they put on makeup, especially when they look beautiful and put on makeup to make it more beautiful. Do you know that whenever you are going to interview, or you are going to any places, or you are going to job or anything, or you are going to art, you put on makeup because your face is the first thing that will attract people. And that is the reason why a lot of men has been attracted to beautiful women, because it's your face people first of all get to see before every other part. I'm telling you the fact. So if your face is very ugly, a lot of people will just like, no. Do you know that there's some work, and a lot of people put on makeup, maybe they are going for a job interview, or they are going for good job, they are going to art movie and all those things. Yes, so that they can sell, they can move, move ahead. Or let me give you another reasons again why they wear makeup. When you wear makeup, maybe a girl want to really attract a rich man or attract a man according to his standards, you understand? It's going to look beautiful. It's not going to look tattered or look ugly. No, it's going to put on makeup so they can get that rich man in that bar, in that office, in that whatever, you understand? In the hotel, in anywhere. So it's going to look beautiful, and use the makeup to make it with balance. You understand? So these are the reasons why a lot of women, they wear makeup. They don't wear makeup for nothing. You understand? So to get their heart desire, to get what they really want. You understand? Because if you want to really get that thing, you don't need to look ugly. There are some people, if you look ugly, they will not even mind you. So when you look so beautiful, even with your face, with your appearance, man, they're going to take you once. So also, I've mentioned a lot of reasons why a lot of women they do make up themselves, their face. So you that is watching me right now, if you also have your own opinions or your own view, keep it down for the comment sections. So these are some of the reasons why a lot of women out there in the world put on makeup. If I'm forgetting anything to say here, keep it down, help and keep it down for the comment section for the viewer to also watch. So now let's go to my next topic. Don't stop here. A lot of things are here in this channel you're going to learn. Okay, so let's follow me to the next topic. Okay guys, see you there.